Bonjour, bonjour. We have our quirky phase here today because we are going to look at their not so regular IR verbs in the present tense. Joy! Bonne nouvelle! We can do the taking off the ending thing here to create that right sound with this group of irregular IR verbs. Yuppie! We do, of course, have to add on ONS for nous and EZ for vous. Let's look at partir, to leave. Je pars. Tu pars. Il, elle, on part. Nous partons. Vous partez. Il, elle. Ah, here, of course, we will be spelling it P-A-R-T-E-N-T. So we're going to have to say il, elle partent. Let's see how it's written down. So partir, to leave, as in to go away. Je pars, ends with an S. Tu pars, also ends with an S. Il, elle, on, have a guess? Yes, it's still part, but this time it ends with a T. I'm sure you are getting a feel for these verbs. It happens when you start studying French over a period of time. Nous partons, vous partez, il, elle partent. So the endings are SST and then our usual endings, ONS, EZ, ENT. But what happens here with the singular column, we've also taken away the letter before the ending, in this case the T, and we've added on the SST. Je pars, tu pars, il, elle, on part. But with the plural column, it goes back to that usual pattern where you just take off the IR and add those special endings. Nous partons, vous partez, il, elle partent. To leave, to go, or to go away, partir. How would you say, I'm leaving? We would add in a little to go in English. On holiday tomorrow. I'm leaving to go on holiday tomorrow. Je pars en vacances demain. As soon as they leave, I'm going to do the shopping. Dès qu'il ou dès qu'elle parte, je vais faire les courses. Let's leave straight away. Partons tout de suite. Tout de suite, tout de suite. Repartir is to leave again or to go back to somewhere, to set off back to somewhere. It also means to start again, start over. Je repars. Tu repars, both with an S. Il, elle, on repart with a T. Nous repartons. Vous repartez. Il, elle repartent. Endings SST, ONS, EZ, ENT. So, what is the verb? To leave again, go back, start over, start again. Repartir à. Tomorrow she goes back to Lamballe for all the month of August. Demain, elle repart à Lamballe pour tout le mois d'août. D'août, get out of my August, whose, d'août. Using vous, are you leaving again already? Vous repartez déjà? I'm starting again from zero. Je repars à zéro. Non, rien de rien. Non, je ne regrette rien. Je repars à zéro is in the beautiful song by Edith Piaf, Je ne regrette rien. Have a look at the song that's been translated and have a listen to. It's beautiful. Songs are such a great way to learn. Sortir. To come out, to go out, or to date. Je sors. Tu sors. The first two have S's. Il, elle, on sort with a T. Nous sortons. Vous sortez. Il, elle sortent with our usual endings. So to come out, go out, date is sortir. Monique isn't going out with, as in dating, Julien anymore. Monique ne sort plus avec Julien. Using tu. If you go out, call me on my mobile. Si tu sors, appelle-moi sur mon portable. Don't shoot, addressing vous. We're coming out, using nous. Ne tirez pas, nous sortons. Really useful, I know. If ever you want to hold up a French bank, you know, you might want to say that to the police outside. Ressortir, well, of course, it does mean to go or to get out again. It also means like to come out with something. We have the vinyl records here to represent a re-release, and also for arguments like, oh, you're bringing up that again. Je ressors. Tu ressors. Il, elle, on ressort. Nous ressortons. Vous ressortez. Il, elle ressortent. Usual endings. And un ressort, the noun, un ressort is a spring, like a spring you get in your bed or your sofa, or you used to do anyway. Okay, all of those, to go, get out again, to come out with, re-release, bring up again, ressortir. They're re-releasing it, it's a masculine it, in 3 months. Il ou elle le ressortent dans 3 mois. So when in means within a time frame, you use dans. Using to. Oh, are you bringing that one up again? The that one is feminine. Tu ressors celle-là. He's not going back out again today. We often use the word back, don't we, instead of again. So you could say he's not going out again today, or he's not going back out. Il ne ressort pas aujourd'hui. Dormir, to sleep, a chance to dream. Je dors, tu dors, il, elle, on dort, nous dormons. We've got the me back. Vous dormez, il, elle dorment, dorme, with the usual endings. To sleep is dormir. I'm sleeping badly at the moment. Je dors mal en ce moment. They say in this moment, en ce moment. They're sleeping. Il ou elle dorment. If you want to say they're sleeping right now, you could use the en train de plus infinitive. Il ou elles sont en train de dormir. The word for miller, as in someone who makes flour, is meunier, meunier. And the word for mill is moulin, moulin. They're both masculine. So how would you say, using to, miller, you're sleeping. Your mill is going too quickly. Meunier, tu dors. Ton moulin va trop vite. This is a popular children's song called Meunier, tu dors. And I've given you the words and a link to have a listen to it. Okay? Children's songs are very good for repetition, although some of them are a bit old-fashioned, but, you know, they will still tune you into le French. Moulin, mill, is the word for things like peppermill. So peppermill is moulin à poivre, un moulin à poivre, masculine. So go and have a listen to Meunier, tu dors, ton moulin va trop vite. And you may remember, Frère Jacques, dormez-vous. Are you sleepy? Let's take a look at some of those verbs. Partir, to leave, to go away. Repartir, to leave again, to go back, to start again. Je repars à zéro. Sortir, to come or to go out on a date. Ressortir, quite a few meanings. To go, get out again, to come out with, to re-release, to bring up again. There's also this cardboard box. It's like, get it back out of the box. Dormir, to sleep. Courir, the new one, courir, to run. Your turn, to leave, go away. Partir, to leave again, go back, to start again. Repartir, to come out, go out, date. Sortir, to go or get out again, or come out with, or re-release, bring up again. Ressortir, to sleep. Dormir, to run. Courir. What is to run? It is courir. I run several kilometers every morning. Je cours plusieurs kilomètres tous les matins. Or you could say each morning, chaque matin. They're running after me. Il ou elle court après moi. You can also say, il ou elle me court après. He's running, the ferret. The ferret is le furet, le furet. Il court, le furet. Yes, it's another children's song. Learn part of it. It really helps bring your French along. And there's another adult song which includes courir. Elle court, la maladie d'amour. It's a lovely cheesy French song by Michel Sardou. Okay, more verbs. Mentir, mentir. It means to lie. The French for mint is ment. She's got mint coming out of her lying long nose. Mentir. Remember crème de menthe? Sentir. Two meanings here. It means to feel, but also to smell. Ressentir. This is less used than sentir, but it does exist. It means to feel, to sense, experience. It's more internal. Servir à. To serve. It is also used an awful lot to say to be used for. Resservir à. Yeah. To serve again, to be used again. Desservir. This is a funny little verb. It means to service, like a lift may service all the floors. Also lead to. This lift leads to the following floors. And then we've got this funny hand with a cloth cleaning. It also means to clear the table. Desservir. Your turn. To lie with the mint. Mentir, crème de menthe. To feel or smell. Sentir, think of scent. To feel, sense, experience. We've got this hippie, more touchy-feely. Internal emotions. Ressentir. To serve or be used for. Servir à. To serve again, to be used for again. Resservir à. To service. To lead to clear the table. Desservir. To lie is crème de mentir. You're lying using tu. Tu mens. I can tell you, vous, that they're lying. Je peux vous dire qu'il ou qu'elle mente. Here's the proof that you're lying using vous. Proof is la preuve. Voici, or you could say voilà, la preuve que vous mentez. To feel, to smell, sentir. It smells bad. It's strange here because both in English and French they use the word bad rather than badly, because really it should be an adverb, but they've used the adjective here. So they would say, ça sent mauvais. Same here. It doesn't smell well. Both in English and French would say it smells good. Ça sent bon. I feel that it's going to finish badly. Je sens que ça va mal finir. So we've got badly, goes before the relevant verb, mal finir. To feel, sense, experience, hippie feelings, ressentir. Yes, but it's what I feel. Oui, mais c'est ce que je ressens. So when what is not a question, it's ce que. Using nous, we know what, not a question, we know what they're experiencing. Nous savons ce qu'il ou ce qu'elle ressentent. What does he feel for her? Qu'est-ce qu'il ressent pour elle? To serve or be used for. Servir, servir à. What does this mean? À quoi ça sert? What's it used for? It could also mean, what's the use? What's the point? À quoi ça sert? Very common expression. Ça ne sert à rien de pleurer. No use crying. There's no point crying. They're serving dinner. Ils ou elles servent le dîner. To serve again, be used for again. Resservir à. What does this mean? Je te resserre du café. So it is, shall I reserve you some coffee? But we would just say, shall I give you more coffee? More coffee? So using the format, shall I give you more wine? Using vous. Je vous resserre du vin. Monique, give Mrs. Monroe some more. Monique, resservez Madame Monroe. Okay, two more really beautiful songs. The first one is called À quoi ça sert? What's the use? What's the point? By the lovely Françoise Hardy. And we're back with Edith Piaf, this time singing with Théo Sarapo. À quoi ça sert l'amour? What's the point in love? Go and have a listen and enjoy them. Et voilà les amis, nous avons fini pour aujourd'hui. Merci, au revoir.